Welcome back to another video on Foxtecc. Today we're going to talk about a common issue many Apple Watch users face: how to increase the volume on your Apple Watch. Whether it's for better hearing notifications or enjoying videos or some other music or something, there are several steps you can take to adjust and enhance the volume on your Apple Watch. First, let's talk about adjusting the ringer volume. It's important to ensure your Apple Watch is not in silent mode. You can check this by swiping up on the watch face to access the control center on the older versions of watchOS, or by clicking the side button and looking for the bell icon. If the bell icon is red, tap it to turn off silent mode. Next, go to the Settings app on your watch, then select Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll find the alert volume slider. You can either use this slider directly or scroll the digital crown to adjust the volume to your preferred level. This is essential for making sure you hear all your notifications clearly. The digital crown is a powerful thing for controlling your Apple Watch's volume. To use it for alerts, simply tap the alert volume slider in the Sounds and Haptics settings to enable control via the digital crown. Once enabled, you can scroll the digital crown up or down to increase or decrease the volume. This feature offers a quick and precise way to manage your watch's alert volume without needing to navigate through multiple menus. When it comes to adjusting the volume of content, such as videos or audio playback, the digital crown remains your go-to tool. While playing any media, you'll notice a volume slider on the lower left side of the screen. By turning the digital crown, you can adjust the volume up or down as needed. This method is straightforward and ensures you can easily modify the volume without interrupting your viewing or listening experience. It's important to note that the digital crown is the only method to adjust volume on the Apple Watch during content playback. Unlike an iPhone, the Apple Watch doesn't have volume rockers or touch controls dedicated to volume adjustment. This makes understanding and utilizing the digital crown crucial for managing all your volume needs on the watch. In conclusion, whether you're adjusting the ringer volume or the playback volume, the digital crown is your main control for increasing or decreasing volume on the Apple Watch. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're always able to hear your notifications and enjoy your media at the perfect volume. Thanks for tuning into Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and gadget reviews. Until next time, peace.